going on, everyone? Just thought I'd give you guys an update on the truck here. We're going to be doing some upgrades to it really soon. I'll show you what I got. So I finally picked up an intercooler for this thing. Just an eBay unit, 3-inch inlets and outlets. It's not huge, but it should fit okay in the grill here. The one that I had before was off a bus, like a van conversion bus. I think it was like a Chevy Duramax 3500 bus or 4500 bus, and it was just a little too large to fit in here. So this one should do the trick. I do have some silicone boots to go on there too. Next item here, got my cylinder heads pretty much ready to go. I did these years ago for my old Cavalier, and we're gonna finally get them on this thing and try it out. So I got a fresh valve job on them, cleaned up the ports a little bit more, fresh LS6 valve springs, and to go along with that I have a regrind camshaft here. I know regrinds aren't the best idea. Had this one done years ago. It's just sitting on the shelf, so I figured I'll toss it in and see if it helps this little 3-1 out. And then I also have my ported 3100 intake here, or 3400 if you want to call it that. It's almost finished. I'm going to do a bit more work to it, finish it up, and then that will be getting installed on there as well. So also picked up a catch can. I've been getting a bit of oil in the charge pipes on this, so I'm going to install this and see if it will take care of some of the oil in the pipes. It's either coming from the turbo or just from my valve cover vent that runs up here into the turbo. So hopefully that will take care of some of the oil I have in the charge pipes. One more thing I did pick up is a Mega Squirt 2. I don't have that out here right now, but once the heads and everything are on, then I'll try putting the Mega Squirt in and get a decent tune on this, and hope the transmission holds together for a bit longer and maybe get a couple more passes at the track. Hope that all this stuff here will allow this thing to get up around 300 horse on the same boost level. Between 6 and 7 pounds should do it. So I'll start tearing into this, I guess, next week, and I'll try to do some videos along the way. So thanks for watching.